In today's lesson, we're going to find the angles and area of parallelograms and triangles. You ready to learn, B?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
First of all, as a quick review, we know that if we have a rectangle here, which is a parallelogram, right? To find the area, which is all the good stuff on the inside, that the area is the base times the height. Okay?
Okay.
So if we look at the base here and the height, we just multiply those two together, and that gives us the area of the rectangle. Okay? Now we have this figure here, which is called a parallelogram, because these two sides here are parallel, and the top two sides are parallel. So they call it a parallelogram. All right, you with me, dog? So check this out. See how this thing is kind of slanted to the side?
Yeah.
So now if you go out with your mom and she saw you slanted to the side, she'd say, Brandon, stand up straight, right? There you go. So what we want to do is make this parallelogram stand up straight. The way we do this is we're going to Jackie Chan this thing, all right? So we go to this inside corner and we, bam, chop it like this, all right? So that gives us this little triangle here. And then we're going to do the other Jackie Chan move. We're going to flip it to the side to bring it over here. Bam, just like that. And this goes away. Now look at what we have. Now that it's standing up straight, we have our
Rectangle.
rectangle. You got it. And now we can just use the same formula we had before. The base times the height gives us the area of this rectangle. You with me, dog?
Yep.
Cool, cool, cool. Let's try an example here.
Okay.
Now look at this parallelogram here. We have the base, which is 5 inches, and we have the height here, which is 3. All right? So we're going to Jackie Chan it one more time. Bam! Then we get our height, right?
Yeah.
Then we're going to flip it over to the side. So we drop us like it hot right there. Scratch this, and now we have our full rectangle. So now let's just try to find the area. The area is the base, which is 5 inches, times the height, which is what?
3 inches.
You got it. And that gives us what?
15 inches.
15 inches
Squared.
Squared. Very good. So let's take a look at the units real quick. We're multiplying inches times inches. And anytime you multiply units by themselves, they come out squared. So if we look here, we have inches times inches, which is inches.
Times inches squared.
You got
Inches
it.
squared.
So if we had feet times feet, that would give us feet.
Squared.
All right. And if we had Brandon times Brandon, that would give us
Brandon squared.
all day. Good job, man. Give me a pound on that. Yeah, player. All right. Now check this out. Now we want to find the area of a triangle. All right? Now if we go back once again to our square, we know to find the area is just the base times the height. Okay? Now if we Jackie Chan this here along this diagonal, we split this square into two what?
Triangles.
You got it, man. So if the area of a square is base times height, if we take a triangle, which is half of that, then the area of a triangle is just 1/2 times the base times the height. Because half a triangle plus a half would give us the whole square. So now we have the formula for the area of a triangle. Let's do another problem here. In this triangle here, we have a base, which is 2 meters, times the height, which is 4 meters, right? So we're going to multiply the base times the height. So 2 meters times 4 meters, which gives us what?
8 meters squared.
Alrighty then, 8 meters squared. But now we want to take half of it because we're doing the triangle, right? So we divide this by 2, so the area would equal what?
4 meters squared.
4 meters squared. Do this. Pop your color. There you go. Good job, man. All right. Now the last thing we want to look at are the angles in a triangle. Okay? So check this out here. When you're looking at angles, right, you have 2 rays, just like here with these scissors, right? And they come connected at this point here, right? This point is called the vertex. See right here we have the vertex, which is this point. All right? Now, as we change these back and forth, we get different angles, okay? Now, some of these angles have different names, all right? Now, every angle is correct, but there's only one right angle, all right? So if we look at a right angle, that's when we are at 90 degrees. When we form this L, this gives us a right angle, okay? Just like we have here, a right angle. Also, now, if you have angles that are less than 90 degrees, these nice little cute ones here, right? These are called acute angles. Any angle less than 90 degrees is acute, all right?
Okay.
Now, when we're talking about the big dogs, those are the angles larger than 90 degrees, all right? These big angles here, larger than 90, but less than 180. And these are called obtuse angles. These are the big dogs, all right? So we have the acute angles, which are the small ones, the big L here, which is 90 degrees, and the obtuse angles. Two other ones I want to talk to you about real quick is a straight angle. This is 180 degrees, going from 0 all the way to 180, half a circle, all right? And then if we go all the way back around to where we started, that's 360 degrees. All right?
Yeah.
So you understand that lesson?
Yeah.
Cool. Good job. I want you to go do some problems and get ahead in math.